Well, this microphone doesn't look that great there. I need a white one. Yep, I need a white one for when I'm wearing white. Anyway, doesn't matter. I'm amongst friends. I am going to share a few empties with you. These are empties that I have finished up, and we are heading to New York, so I don't want to have them hanging around. Recycle's coming, so I want to get them in the bin. So let's get started. First up is my Cinema Secrets brush cleaner. Love this stuff. You clean your brush, it all comes out and it dries instantly. Love, love, love this. If I'm doing 2 tutorials in one day, I don't have to worry about my brushes. I just do this, boop, 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 go change my shirt, wash my face, go upstairs and do another video. My brushes are dry and ready to go. It does have an odor, I will say that, and it's very chemical smell. But it works really, really well. Next up is my Hello Naturally Healthy Natural Mint Mouthwash. No alcohol in it. I can't use things that have alcohol in them because they make my mouth peel and then it's popping and snapping and it's just gross. Don't like that. This does not do it. And when I'm using a mouthwash, I want it to make me feel minty fresh, and this does. I find it at Target. Bay Harbor Beauty, been talking about it for months. You know I love the Jojoba Bead Honey Foaming Scrub. This is in Flower Bomb. Oh, it is so pretty, my friends. Oh, it smells really good. This is just a beautiful body product. Love it. Oops. Next up is my ColorProof Super Rich Moisture Conditioner. I've been using this for years. I always have a bottle of it, and once in a while I switch up my shampoos and it's always there, but this one Louis uses regularly and we love it. It is vegan. What else is it? It's all kinds of good things. It is 100% vegan, gluten-free, sulfate-free, and salt-free, so it is pretty good for most. Finished up a small Colleen Ross hair serum. This is her hair oil. Love it, love it, love it, love it. I was so happy when she came out with a large bottle. This is my finishing oil. I use it on my dry hair and love it. You see I have roots? It's because I'm all out of these. I do like having these for the times when you need to go out and you don't want this look, although in today's world this look is acceptable. It's cool to have this hair now. But I do like to have a root concealer, and this is the Style Edit. I use the lightest brown. I did have some light brown, but it's a little too dark for me. The lightest brown works best for me. Hard to find. I have not been able to find it in Florida. When I go back to New York, I will stock up. Eye cream that I use that I will not repurchase again. This is from SkinCeutical AGE Complex. It was okay. It didn't do anything magical. I know people love it. I have other eye creams that I like much better. So I won't be getting this again, but it's okay. It's okay. I don't think it did anything miraculous around my eyes. It hydrated, but okay. Now something that I do like around the eye is the Genesis Eye Serum. Love the delivery system. It's like a plunger. It's like a needle. Really do like this. It has growth factors in it. It's going to help build collagen. It has ceramides in it. It's a very light serum. Works well under my eye creams, and it does not interfere with any of my makeup application. It's a nice, clean product. Really, really love it. Another Genesis that I finished up, and I'm telling you, yes, I have another of this already, and I have another of this already. This is the Eyebrow Serum. Genesis, you just simply take it and you run it through your brow. I do it every single night. My eyebrows, I have no pencil on today. I just have tinted brow gel because I have white eyebrows. I can't guarantee that they will grow in young. They grow in white, okay? But this stuff really worked well for me. Loved it. Hair mask that I might get again, but I love the Colleen Ross hair mask so much that I don't know. But, you know, I like to try different things for all of you. This is very nice, highly fragranced. Now, this fragrance has a bite to me. Colleen Ross does not. It's highly fragranced as well. But I like the fragrance. I think it's amber. I really do like it. This has a strong bite, but it is a nice mask. but oh boy, it has a strong scent. But it is a nice mask, okay? It hydrates, moisturizes. It's really nice. I used it quite a bit. Another Colleen Ross hair serum. Loved it. I must have got these in travel kits because I only get the large now. Love this. And that's it for my empties until you see me in New York. And then I'll have another empties, hopefully. Maybe not because it takes me a while to get through a lot of these things. But anyway, that's my last empties from Florida for at least 2 months. Well, maybe a little longer because I'm not using anything down here. I'll travel. I'll bring them all back. I'll bring them all back with me. I am traveling with all of my skin. I'm going to do a video on that. I'm going to do a video on how I travel back and forth. All right, my friends, so that is it for my empties. Down below, you know I love when you share what you go through. Share your trash with me. I love it. All right, friends, on your way out, make sure you subscribe. I would love to have you as an ageless beauty. Hit that bell to notify you of all the videos that I'm putting up. Until the next time, my friends, you go out in the world and be a little less trashy, but always be lovable, my friends. I love you all. Be Zeus.